Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As most of you know, I'm from La Belle Province, which is Quebec. Right about now, there's a delicious festive event that takes place every year and it's going to our sugar shack. This is a great place to enjoy maple syrup. So far, I've shared many recipes with you using this ingredient, and here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Canadian Butter Tarts with maple syrup. This is truly a Quebec favorite sweet treat. Made in small individual tarts, these little guys are so tasty. They're easy to make and perfect to enjoy as a mid-afternoon snack or dessert. So my friends, let's get cooking. The first thing we have to do is to cut large circles into our cold dough. I'm using my foolproof dough recipe, so to get it, click on the top right corner of your screen. Here I'm using my largest cookie cutter, which is 5 inches, but ideally a 6-inch would be better. For some reason, I can't find mine. Next, we'll place the rounds in a regular 12 muffin pan, trying to make them sit evenly in each cavity. Also, we want the dough to go all the way up because when baking, the filling will expand and might go overboard. Now, I believe there are already pre-made shells at the store. Not only will you save time, but they will look prettier too. The opposite of mine. All right, let's make the filling. In a mixing bowl or a large measuring cup, we'll add brown sugar, some good quality maple syrup, followed by melted butter, a couple beaten eggs, then pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of fleur de sel. This is the brand I use and can be found at any specialty store or online. We'll whisk the ingredients very well until nicely blended and the texture is smooth. It's a little thick at first, but you'll see. It'll get easier as you go. Next, we'll add some golden raisins, although currants and pecans are other delicious options. And we'll start to incorporate them before pouring the filling evenly in the prepared muffin cups 2/3 full. Now, because the raisins will be sunk at the bottom of our bowl, we'll have to scoop them into each cup, or another way of doing it is to simply divide them between the muffin cups and then pour the filling over. Alright, so we'll transfer them to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 18 to 25 minutes or until desired consistency, rotating the muffin pan halfway through baking. We'll remove from the heat, let them cool 10 minutes in the pan before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. If some stick in a cavity, gently slide in a butter knife to release them. See, just like I'm doing here. For more baking time info according to consistency, visit the blog. And my friends, these are our Canadian Butter Tarts with maple syrup. These bite-sized treats are absolutely delicious. They're easy to make and a perfect treat to have any time. Do like millions of Quebecois this year and enjoy maple syrup with these yummy little tarts. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!